What's up, my Capri Sun? Welcome back to my channel. By the title of this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I reorganized my aunt's entire crafting room. She has an entire crafting room here. I want to do like something nice for her while she's at work and just give her a little bit more room in her crafting room. She kind of already has it organized, but I just need to get like some stuff off the floor and kind of reorganize her closet. So I'm going to show you guys that. And before I go straight to the video, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss any videos from me. And make sure you are following me on Instagram at LaShonda Everything will be linked down below. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the crafting room. Okay, y'all, so this is what the crafting room looks like. She kind of already has things right here, like all her Cricut stuff right here. She has it pretty organized. Her shelf right here is already pretty organized as well. I just got to get like some of this stuff off the floor, like some new stuff that she brought in here. One of her crafting shelves broke, so I'm just gonna find a place for all this stuff on the floor. And then right here she has like a few boxes and stuff on the floor right here, and I'm just gonna like reorganize this whole closet. Like I'm just gonna fold everything neatly. I'm gonna make it so much neater for her so she can have more space in here. She has this right here that my uncle built. It's already pretty organized as well. And then right over here on this wall she has this shelf. I'm just gonna reorganize this shelf. I don't want to change too much in here because I want to leave it kind of how she has it. It's more I'm just reorganizing it and making it look neater. And then right here on her big crafting table right here, I'm just gonna just clean up this up a little bit, and that's it. And then over here I'm probably just gonna leave this as is because I see that she's in the middle of doing some orders. So I'm just gonna leave this alone. I'm gonna vacuum in here. I'm gonna probably sweep in here, and that's just about it. So if you guys are interested, keep on watching and let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright y'all, I'm more than halfway done. I got about 30 minutes to finish before my uncle gets home and everything, and my aunt gets home a little bit later, but I need to still cook dinner. I'm more than halfway done. Y'all, I'm eating Funyuns. Oh my god, these things are so good. But anyways, I'm more than halfway done. I'm trying to hurry up before my uncle and my aunt get home. I'm going to clear off this table right here, and then I'm going to get the trash up and vacuum, and I should be done. Y'all, so I am all done. This literally took me less than 2 hours to do. I'm going to show you guys what I did and everything. So starting right here by the door, I did go ahead and like reorganize this shelf right here. I got everything off of the floor right here, as you can see. And then coming over to the closet right here, I reorganized all of this. I fold all her shirts, I put her cups here, I put her ribbons here, I hung up a couple of her t-shirts, I put her signs up here, and as you can see, I literally got everything off of the floor and into the crates for her and got it all organized because I want to give her as much space in here as possible. Right here earlier, you know, you guys, I already showed you this, there was nothing to be done, but I did go ahead and get all the ribbons and stuff off the floor. The floor is clear here. I vacuumed off the window pane here. And over here with this shelf, I literally just organized it and I made space to put more stuff on it. So I like added this stuff here and gave her more space. I put her sewing machine up here and took it off the floor. So I just basically organized and made room to put more stuff on this shelf right here. Then right here, she's actually in the middle of doing some orders and stuff, so I didn't really want to touch this area too much, but I did leave her stuff the way it was, and I just organized around and made this just a little bit more clean for her so she can have somewhere to work. Under here, I kind of organized here. I put these crates down here and everything and got the stuff off the floor. As you can see, there's literally nothing on the floor, you guys. And then over here, she's also, this is where she's working at too to finish up her order. So I just left this as it is. I did vacuum. I left this over here how it is. And as you guys can see, like I'm literally gonna lay on the floor. Babe, you wanna go over there? Go there. I'm literally laying on the floor, y'all. Earlier, there was stuff on this floor. And now, there's no stuff. So I literally cleared out the entire floor to give her some room to do her work. I just want to give her more space, and I love organizing. I love cleaning up, as you guys know. And yeah, that's it, y'all. So if you guys like this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you like videos like this, give us a thumbs up and leave down some other video ideas that you may want to see me do. Some reorganizing videos or cleaning up videos, and leave me down some positive comments. And what else? Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram at LaShonda Capri. I will leave the link down below. Everything will be down in the description, you guys. And like I say in all my videos, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.